Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to share with you a super easy and lucrative side hustle that's been making waves in the Etsy world. We're talking about selling digital download patterns with some shops making well over $300,000. And the best part is you can use AI to create these seamless patterns in no time. So let's dive in and explore how to create and sell these patterns for some sweet passive income. I recently posted a video discussing AI-driven business ideas, and the AI pattern business caught my attention. With the recent release of Midjourney version 5 and the untapped potential in this market, it's the perfect time to show you how to use AI tools to make your own seamless patterns and sell them online. The process is super simple. We will start by using a text-to-image AI called Midjourney. You give it a prompt describing the image you want, and the AI generates a unique pattern in a matter of minutes. You can use specific keywords to get seamless patterns and high quality images. Once you have generated a pattern, it's time to sell it on a platform like Etsy. Before we start creating random patterns, let's take a look at what kind of patterns are already selling well and potential revenue. Shops like Old Market and Digital Curio have made a fortune selling digital papers and seamless patterns. With digital products, you get to keep around 91% of your gross revenue after Etsy's fees and taxes, making this side hustle super profitable. To get started, join the Midjourney AI beta on their website and sign up for a Discord account if you don't have one already. Once you are in the Discord server, you can generate image easily. I recommend creating your own server to keep things organized and focus on your own images. Now let's generate our first pattern. Make sure you have Midjourney version 5 selected in the settings. Type a / followed by imagine in the chat section and enter your pattern idea. Remember to add title at the end of the prompt to ensure the AI creates a seamless pattern. After a short wait, the AI will generate 4 pattern options for you, and you can choose the ones you like best. You can play around with the stylization settings to get more unique patterns, or just leave it on high for maximum creativity. Remember, the key is to include tile at the end of your prompt. With this AI, you can create patterns similar to those selling well on Etsy, like watercolor flowers or vintage designs. Once you have created a pattern, save it and you are ready to sell it. You can list it as a digital download on Etsy, use print-on-demand platforms like Printify, or even sell on websites like Redbubble and Society6, which are completely free to use. These platforms allow you to upload your patterns and apply it to various products. The great thing about this side hustle is that it's almost entirely passive. You create the pattern once, and these platforms handle the marketing and customer service for you. Even if you don't make millions, it's an excellent opportunity to gain confidence in selling online. So there you have it, a simply yet potentially lucrative side hustle that leverages the power of AI to create seamless patterns that can sell online. With just a little bit of effort, you can create a diverse catalog of unique patterns to cater to different audiences and preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment with various styles, colors, and themes. By testing different patterns, you can definitely identify what resonates most with your target customers and refine your offerings accordingly. Remember to keep an eye on trends and popular designs to stay ahead of the competition. In addition to selling your patterns on various platforms, consider promoting your work on social media to drive more traffic to your listings. Share your creations on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or even TikTok, where visuals are the main focus. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and be open to their feedback to continuously improve your designs. Another way to expand your pattern business is by offering custom patterns for clients. Advertise your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and work with clients to create tailor-made patterns to suit their specific needs. This not only adds a new revenue stream, but also helps you build a diverse portfolio that showcases your skills and versatility. With persistence, creativity, and a little bit of luck, your pattern business could grow into a successful venture. As your sales and reputation increases, you might even consider turning your side hustle into a full-time business. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Keep learning, adapting, and experimenting to find the winning formula for your pattern business. So, get started today, and who knows, you might just become the next big name in the pattern design industry. As your business grows, consider collaborating with other artists and designers to expand your product offerings and reach new audiences. Networking with professionals in the field can open up new opportunities and help you learn from experiences of others. Moreover, consider creating tutorial videos or offering online courses on designing seamless patterns using AI. Sharing your knowledge and expertise can help build your credibility as an industry expert and attract more clients to your business. This can also be another revenue stream, as you can monetize your tutorial content through platforms like YouTube or Skillshare. Remember to keep track of your finances and reinvest a portion of your earning back into your business. This can help you scale up your operations, invest in better tools and resources, or even fund generated marketing campaigns to boost your online presence and attract new customers. As your partner business thrives, think about expanding into other niches and markets. For example, you could venture into creating patterns for textiles, wallpaper, or even stationery. Exploring different applications for your designs can help you identify new business opportunities and further diversify your income streams. Lastly, never underestimate the importance of customer satisfaction. Providing excellent customer service, addressing concerns, and ensuring your clients are happy with your design and ensuring your clients are happy with your designs will not only help you retain existing customers but also attract new ones through word-of-mouth referrals. In conclusion, a seamless pattern is a promising and potentially lucrative venture, especially when leveraging AI tools like Midjourney. As an entrepreneur in this field, it's crucial to stay updated on industry trends and continuously refine your skills to offer high quality and unique designs that cater to your target market's needs and preference. Finally, always be open to feedback and continuously strive to improve your products and services. Listening to your customers and making necessary adjustments based on their preferences can help you create patterns that resonate with your target market and ultimately contribute to success and growth of your business. In summary, starting and growing a seamless pattern business using AI tools can be rewarding and completely passive. Hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned a lot about the pattern industry business. But still, if you have any questions, just comment down below and let me know what do you think about this idea and how you are going to start it. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll be happy to help you as much as I can. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.